Today I will show you a demo of VPCS ERP software for corrugation box manufacturing industry. VPCS developed ERP software for many different manufacturing industry, and we also develop the customized software, but today we will focus on corrugation box manufacturing industry. Okay, in corrugation box manufacturing industry, first of all we will receive the specification of the box from the customer. We call that article. I'll show you how to create the article. This is the home page of the article. From new button we may create the new article. From customer you will get the information of the length of the box. Suppose it is 250, height is 3. This is just dummy data. Suppose 380. This is just for example. I'll not fill all the fields, just I'll show you the report. After filling all the fields, you may save it and it will generate report like this. I'll show you one report. This is the demo article 001. Here is the article name, then box ID, inner dimension, this is the outer dimension, this will be the sheet size. All the value will calculate automatically. Just you have to fill the either inner dimension or outer dimension. Okay, that is the paper required for these boxes. Then after creating the article, you will get order from the customer. From here we may create order. This is the new button. I will not create new one, just I will open one which is already created. This is one sales order. Okay, after getting the order, if you already have the reels, you will go for the production, or if you don't have that reel size, you may go for the purchase. I will go for purchase. Okay, from here you may create purchase order. Already one purchase order is created. I will create new one. Just select the supplier name, select the reel, mill name. Okay, what is the rate? Suppose 30 rupees. Then quantity is 1000 kg. Okay, and this will use for which article? Suppose article 001. Just add it. You may change the date, and here you may see the previous rate of this reel. Okay, just save it. Okay, PO number is required. 1 2 3 4. Do you want to notify user? No, I don't want to notify. This is the purchase order for one reel. Okay, now this purchase order should approved by the concerned person. Here is the PO approval. 2 order is pending. I'll approve all. After approving it, you may receive it by GRN. Just select that order number. I will select last order number. Order quantity is 1000 kg. This is just demo data. Okay, I'll receive 1000 kg. Suppose in 1000 kg you receive 2 reels. Okay, quantity reel weight is 400 kg and 600 kg. And you may also fill the reel number. Suppose R1 and second one is the R2. Okay, just add it, save it. Sorry, invoice number is mandatory field. 1 2 3. Okay, no, I don't want to notify. Okay, you received that reel, but still it is not added in your stock because quality is pending. If you want GRN report, reel wise report, you may see it from here. Inventory, GRN report. Just I will select GRN report. It's barcode. Okay, System will automatically generate the barcode for each reel, and here is the reel details. Okay, reel number is R1, R2, weight is 400 kg and 600 kg. Next we'll go for quality. We'll select the order number. Last order number is 62. Here actual GSM, suppose 121, here 119, here is suppose 18, 16. Okay, cog value, suppose this is just metadata 11. You may fill the moisture, RCT, approve it. You may hold or reject also, but I will approve both rules. Let's save it. Your quality report will generate. If any value is below standard, value will be highlighted. Okay, you may see in red color. After quality, you may use it for production. I will go for the production part. After getting the order, we'll create one job card. I'll select that particular order number. Suppose I will select anyone. Okay, article is 001. Here is the number of cut, 1000 cut, and ups is 2. Total box quantity will be, board quantity will be 2000. Okay, I'll select the employee. Okay, then I'll assign the reel. Suppose this will be used for top, and for flute we'll use this reel. Then for bottom we'll select another reel. Suppose this one. Just add it, save it. Okay, this is your job card. Okay, after creating the job card, reel will issue from your store. Select that job card number, issue that reel. You may change the reel also. Suppose you are not getting the assigned reel, you may change here. For top we will use this, flute we will use this reel. For bottom we will use this one. Just save it. This one is the assigned reel and actual issued. Okay, both are same, but you may change that also. Now reel is issued, then it will go for the board line. After board line, you will get the board, and here you have to make the entry. Just select that job card number and job start time, suppose 10 o'clock, closing time is 11 o'clock, and run time is 16 minutes, then number of cut is 1000. Okay, here is your, suppose you return 100 kg, 320 kg and 360 kg. This return reel will again add in your stock. Here you can see the required quantity, issued quantity, used quantity, return quantity is this one, actual wastage in kg and wastage in percentage. Here you can give the pour weight will be 0, paper wastage. Okay, I will just save it. Okay, this is your board line production report. After that, it will go for the printing. We'll select that job number, that was 145, employee name, Now job start time 11 o'clock, 11:30, and a return quantity. Either you may fill wastage quantity or return quantity. I will fill the return quantity 1990. Wastage is 10. Okay, just save it. This is your printing line report. Here you may see it: start time, end time, run time, total wastage 10, net quantity is 1990. Now after printing it will go for stitching or gluing. Okay, we will select that job card number 145. We'll select the employee, then suppose 12 o'clock, job start time 12:30. Okay, here return quantity suppose 1970. Okay, total wastage is 4.72%. Okay, I will save it. Okay, this is your gluing report. Okay, so all data will come in single report. Okay, after that it will go for finished good quality. You will select that job number, all the value will, standard value will come here. This is just for demo. Okay, either you have to fill the standard value like 195, like this you have to fill all the value. After that save it. This is your quality report for finished good. Okay, now your product is ready for dispatch. Now you may create the delivery challan. In sales you have to select that particular order number and you may create challan. I will show you the challan report. This is your one challan report. Okay, this is the just now we will show you the reports. You can see the job wise production report, job wise wastage report, production report, cost analysis report, yesterday highlight report. I'll show you the major reports like a release stock report. Okay, here you can see the release stock. If you want to see the reel wise stock, just have to select this one. Okay, this is the reel wise report. Reel size will color in will be in centimeter or inches, color, GSM, all the details will come. Here is the reel number, then its barcode, then when you purchase, GRN date, then their status, either it is new reel or bit reel. Okay, you may use any filter. Suppose I will use one size wise filter. Okay, on 110 size I will use 189. Okay, this is 180 size. You may use another filter also. Okay, this is the reel. Then FG box stock report, trace separator report, WIP report, all the reports you will get. Okay, either in sales I'll show you all the reports name one by one. In MIS report you will get job wise report, job wise wastage report, production report, cost analysis report, yesterday highlight report. In daily report you will get GRN report, QC report, issue reel report, consumable issue report. Okay, in sales you will get this report, in purchase you will get this report, and we may develop report according to your requirement also. Okay, if you have any doubt you may contact me on my number or you may email me. Thank you.